Kaya nga nandito po ako. May kasal po ako sa Clark, binilisan kong natapos. Para makarating ako dito. Ang ating mga leaders, si Chingweng, si Chinglena. Salamat sa inyo. And I sincerely appreciate your efforts, right? Guy, Jody, kasama.
Nakaka-touch po kasi may mga nag-offer ng in-kind at in-cash. Maaasahan niyo po, lahat po ng nalikom na pera ay mapupunta po sa napaka-importanting mission ang maipatayo po ang bagong kumbento ng Holy Cross Parish Wide. Maraming salamat po sa mga kasamahan ko. And above all, thank you Lord for this day, Lord. Salamat po. At mag-enjoy lang po tayo mamaya sa ating Zumba Marathon. Ma'am Eva, thank you very much po.
I'm the baddest alive. He know the prettiest bitch didn't come until I arrive. I don't let bitches get to me, I fuck they man if they try. I got a princess face, a killer body, samurai mind. They can't be Nikki, they sound stupid, I just laugh when they try. A long bikini up my ass, I think I'll go for a dive. His ex-bitch went up against me, but she didn't survive. On applications, I write pressure, cause that's what I apply. Pressure apply, can't fuck a regular guy. Wetter than umbrellas, I'm stickier than apple pie. You naked, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it. And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna F-R. Thank you, born